here I am at Shanghai Toy Expo. I'm here with Elise, and so Elise, can you introduce me to your company here?
Okay, my name is Elisa from the Same Toys. This one, Same Toys company, which is a professional service provider of toys purchase and customization with more than 18 years experience.
Oh, very cool. It's very experienced and very professional here. So, where is your factory located?
We are located in Shantou City and Guangdong Province.
Okay, and so where are your main markets in the world to export to?
Our company main market is the USA and Europe and Russia.
Okay, so you have the massive worldwide market there, like the big areas. Yeah. And so what can I say is when exporting to these companies, it's very important that they know that there's safety certificates and product quality. So can you tell me about the certificates that your company and your products have?
Our company with the BSCI and the ISO 9001 to support the supermarket requirement.
Okay.
Yeah, and the product is made from the eco framed material.
Okay.
They with the EN7 and campaigns and ASTM HR 4040 certificates.
Wow, okay,
yeah.
So it's the product quality and the eco-friendly and the safety is all very a good priority to have, but then there's also the priority of the fun with the product. So let me ask you about what the new product that you're going to be introducing into the market now.
Okay, we can introduce the new item we tested here in
okay,
this
so
board.
the new item is over here.
This one. Big kitchen cell. Big kitchen, it is the 150 height.
It's 150 centimeters high, and so it also has different sizes available as well.
Yeah, we have this one is the big size, and we have the middle size and the small size.
So the three different sizes, this being the biggest, and it also seems like there's a lot here as well. Like there's loads of different accessories and lots of different real interaction as well. Here you can see that you can push and there's also water will come out, so it's like very interactive and very realistic for play between the kids together.
Yeah, like this one you can have the barbecue.
Yeah,
you put the battery inside, they have the barbecue here, like the barbecue here.
Yeah.
And this side we have the put the water. You will have the little box, put the water here, and then have the spring.
Oh,
and this one with the line. You can the baby kitchen like the real.
Yeah, it really accentuates that creativity and just immersion of every different section has its own immersive quality and realistic quality to it. And it's also made of very sturdy plastic here as well. It's very nice. Okay, so we have.
Yeah, this one is the small size.
So you can see here that it has a very small size, but it also packs so much into it. You have all of these utensils, all of these ingredients, and all the water functions as well. And it also has the light functions. It's everything in this. It's just a smaller package. It's just
small package is suitable for sale online.
Yes, and it's also very good for customization for your customers as well. If you have a specific requirement for a customer ordering their product, they can have their own design, correct?
It's okay.
Yeah.
Just need a MOQ.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe 100 pieces, 200 pieces, 1,000 pieces, 2,000 pieces can change to the client design.
Wow.
Oh, we had the name card.
Oh.
This is my name, Elisa, and this will have the phone number and the email, and this is the WeChat.
Okay.
Yeah.